Yeah, so I'm back again just to confirm with you guys. So last time we talked about the BC pointer being at this point in it. There was support here. So this one broke the support, as you can see. We're in a sell right here. As you can see, we're in a sell. So just imagine this is a whole 1 day block. This is a whole 1 day block. So took the entries from that point and it's going all the way down. Yeah, so it's just going to be short. Yeah, there you have it. You see, we're aiming for that, so we can keep this running all the way. See, HDMFX signing out. So okay, so let's just zoom it out a little bit. I want to confirm something. Last time I told you about, I talked about the BC pointer. So this right here is a sale. This is a daily candlestick. This is a 1 day time frame, as you can see. So last time we talked about something. Before I zoom out, I was talking about what the BC pointer price coming down to which point. There was a point you mentioned about price coming to that point, arresting to that point. Didn't we? Let me now zoom out. Let's see, just to confirm. It's more like this is 2 days after that. Then after this, I'm going to upload a video and explain to you exactly what is happening. What's that? It's a BC pointer, and that's why price is resting now. It's now on untested support. It's now on what? Untested support. So at this point, when it hits this point, it's going to open up another fractal for the day, which means it's now going to push price a little bit up. But we have major support right here. Which is just down under the weak one. See? So there's another fractal which price is aiming for, and another one. So next week, expect price to push all the way to this point, because the resistance is just way too far. But if it was to go up, it has to reach this fractal here, reach the resistance and start bouncing back. But it's going to take about 2 weeks before reaching that point. And from that point again, you can swing trade it going all the way down. Yeah, can probably do that. So you see, so there you have it. The inches. See, it has now reached. Oh, this is why I took the sale after it broke this. It broke the support, the previous support, which was here. After breaking the previous support, it took a sale here, and it has gone all the way down. It's flying. It's been pushing price down because of what? The red MA is this side. You don't have the complete thing here, but yeah, there you have it. HDMFX signing out now.
So this is just going to be a new series of everything. So this is what we're going to do. Every time I do a live trading session or whatever I do, Zoom, whatever I'm going to do, I'm just going to name it. I'm going to create a new playlist on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, so that I'm going to name it live trading, so that you see the live trading session. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification not to miss out. This is going to be very important. If you are going to be trading boom and crash, if you're going to be trading NAS, if you're going to be trading currency pairs or whatever you're going to be trading, I'm going to go in full blown out. I'm going to go in with everything. I'm going to show you analysis. I'm going to give you examples and everything, how to trade and everything else. It's going to be a new series. It's going to be more like a series. So just stay tuned. Watch out for this. So this is the first video. These indicators were not updated. So the new update which I'm going to put are the ones which are going to help you out and see the clear full picture of everything which is going to happen. So without further ado, let me explain to you what was going on here. So here what I did was I opened up all the major time frames. There's a daily, 1H, and 1 minute and the 5 minutes, so that you see exactly what happens. There's also the BC pointer in there, but it's lacking the star. So if you saw the stars, you'd have seen the stars on the inches, which were very perfect and which we're going to show you in the next upload, which is going to come. So these videos, what's going to happen is they are very long. I took about 15 hours just to record every session I took. The one which did of $1,000 in a day and everything else. Everything was recorded, so that you see exactly when to take your inches, when to take your TP and everything else. So this is just going to be the intro for everything. So as you can see, we've put everything. There's a daily, the 5 minutes, 1 edge, and 1 minute. So you can see we're in a loss right now. So if you see what's happening right there, you see we took an entry there. It was showing the down arrow there. It was showing everything. You can just see everything there, because the new setup is going to show the major indicators which are going to use exactly when to take a trade from and everything else. So just stay tuned. Don't miss out on this one. Don't miss out on this one. Make sure you turn on the bell notification if you don't want to miss out. All the uploads are going to be crucial for you. So you see, it's going to be more like the same as the line strategy, which I've already seen coming from Nas King. He has this YouTube channel, you can check it out, but we can still cover up everything he's been doing. So you can see the BC point, the main thing which they do. So you see, as long as you see the BC point, the price always comes back to that point, like I mentioned when it came to crash in the higher time frames. So higher time frames, that's why I put up everything so that you can see exactly what was happening in the markets, and for you to see what happens when a daily candlestick is being formed, if it's going to be a bearish one or a bullish one. So at least you can see from the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, and the daily, so that you see exactly what happens when these things happened. So here you can use that information to take your TP from, as in you can know where to take your TP or take your entries from, where you take your entries from and go up with the markets. The problem is you can't see the star entries, but we've made sure to put the star entries in there so that you can see everything, so you don't miss out on all the important information. The next upload is going to have that. I don't know if I've repeated myself, but that's what you're going to see. And the group at least is improving. I can see guys are now making 300 500 in 2 days. So yeah, join us and don't miss out on this. But you can use all this information if you're using a PC, if you're using a mobile. We're going to cover up everything. This is going to be an exclusive where at least you can see exactly what happens in the market. The market repeats itself most of the time, so put that in mind. And yeah, all you have to do is subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Comment in the comment section so that we know what you need to see next. If it's going to be volatility, NAS, whatever you need to see, we're going to cover up all that. So comment in the section below so that we see how we can tackle all this and see how we can improve on our trading skills. Happy trading, everybody. Happy trading. Subscribe, turn on the bell notification.